So how would you like to save the birds while biking? Every year on one day in October, the Cornell Lab of Ornithology invites us to become official bird watchers. So on that day, we watch the birds, we count them, and then we share them on an eBird app. So what better way to do this count than riding on a bike? I got my binoculars, I got my bike, I got my phone downloaded with the eBird app, and so let's go riding. It's a bird, it's a plane, The passenger pigeon went extinct. Just nobody noticed, and it just started vanishing. And now we can't. No more passenger pigeons. So this is a good reason why we want to count the birds, so we can get a leg up on protecting potentially extinct birds. There's no place I'd rather be. Boy, in the woods, looking for birds. I found a bird. Right there, does that count? One, two, three, four. Mallard ducks, 4 ducks. All grown up last time I saw you. So scientists need hundreds of thousands of people to report what they see in their backyards, their neighborhoods, and wild places all around the world. So without this information, the scientists will not have enough timely data to show where and when birds are declining around the world. So they need our help. So let's go save the birds. So what are you guys doing here?
Well, we're bird watching, and I think there are a lot of migrants coming through right now. We just picked up about 3 warblers here, and lots of woodpeckers, northern flicker, pileated woodpecker, red-bellied woodpecker, downy woodpecker, gray catbird. It's all charcoal gray color, and they say meow. They actually say meow.